guys, I'm Jen.
And I'm Chris.
And we're with Monsters and More.
So today, we're going to do a tutorial on the Home Depot 11-foot grave and bones giant-sized LED mummy.
Alright, C goes up front. And then B goes in the back. Of course, your base is A. And then D. Hose D.
What is it? D? And it looks like these is made just like the rest of them. They're pretty much exactly the same.
Your legs are E and F.
E and F. Yeah, I was looking at the wrong bottom piece and it looked like it matched that, but I was like, it don't act like it's laying down under just right.
Then you put H and G pose. H goes on the one that's out front.
This one?
Yep.
Alright guys, you just got to pull these legs up and kind of line the pipe with the other ones and then slide it down over it and push your pins in. Alright.
And it's
I goes on this side.
J and I.
It's pretty simple.
It says if there's any difficulty in assembling the pelvis, try adjusting the upper legs until they are properly aligned.
Yeah, because these hoses are small back here. They're hard to get your hands in there and move it. And you got to make sure when you put them down on there, you put them down at the same time. If you get one too far, it won't line up right. There we go.
So we have a bent wire.
Yep, it's bent. Now it is rubber or plastic, I guess, kind of hard plastic, so it looks like it maybe got hot and where it was laying on top of something.
Which I've been seeing a lot of reviews about how a lot of stuff is coming damaged. We haven't opened up our spider yet.
Now our box wasn't really damaged though. I'm hoping I can get it started and it'll kind of round it out.
A few moments later.
It did take a little bit of, and it still's not just right, but I did get it to screw in to where it was tight. So as long as it's pushed in and it's tight, it should be fine. All right, guys, you got to make sure the white plug-in doesn't jam between this and that little spot in there. There's a little square hole beside it. You got to start it and get it stuck down in it. All right, so you'll put your screw into the back part, and it does have a little tag here. It says here, because I almost put it into this other one down here on the hip, and that's just a screw goes into it. And we've already hooked this one on one side. Take it and run it up. Make sure it doesn't have no kinks in it, and it's on the back side of it. Right, that makes more sense. That's a little bit tighter. You want to pull up on that now? There we go. Just push them up in there and get your Allen wrench and snug it up. And it looks like the plastic is actually made thicker than what the skeleton rib cages are on the skeletons. So that's a good sign. Now go over and screw the other side in, and just make sure you got your arms pushed all the way in towards the center as far as you can get it. And you want to make sure that you don't screw these too tight, because it'll push through the plastic on it. I just want to snug it up.
And N goes with M, even though it doesn't look like it.
That's what it was. I was hitting it and I had to pull it away from that body a little bit. But it does fit. Here, let me get that. We probably need to get that wire through there. And I took this Allen wrench and reached down in there and hooked it so I could pull it out right. And luckily this one's not messed up. Let me pick it up. That box is gonna have to go back or something. You have to make sure you stick it on there, because this right here is kind of aggravating to get it down in there. And you gotta be real careful, make sure you don't start it crooked either. Just make sure you snug it up. And then we got one right here. All right guys, now we got it stood up. All we gotta do is get the power supply on it. So at least this one is animated, which I love. But he don't really, his mouth don't move or anything. But I love the way he's lit up. And his motion sensor is right here, so. And it's crazy because me and Jen, and its sensor works pretty good. I didn't have to get too close for it to come on, but it's crazy. Me and Jen had been talking about this. Why ain't they made a mummy and a big ghost? And here it is. They come out with the big mummy. And this one is way better than the Lowe's mummy that they had and the Menards. Those was not very good made. I love it. I like the way it's made. The plastic seems like it's thicker than the skeleton. Everything. All right, guys. So the sockets of the shoulder where it slides in did have a notch in it, and I was like, I don't know how you can adjust it. Well, after we got reading the directions, it does say that these has got the ratchet type movement on them, so you're supposed to grab them up here, but we've already got it set up. But I did it so you can actually do this, and it does make the loud popping sound. So if you want your arm out further like he's, you know, doing that, that's fine, but you do have to worry about wind pushing on it the higher you get it and the weight of it. But I think that's pretty good right there, don't you?
Yeah.
I like that.
Yep.
I think that looks good. That way he ain't got his arms up too high. All right, guys, we found these. We're gonna put it on it. It just shows wrapping them, and I'm gonna do mine a couple of times to make sure that hopefully it don't fall off. And I guess you could even tie them if you wanted to. Kind of leave them laying off of it like that.
Technically, you can do anything you want to with these.
Yeah, that's right. You can make it look ever how you want to. I'm actually, because I already know when the wind gets flopping these, it's going to go everywhere. So I'm kind of underneath the bottom, and I'm leaving them different lengths like that, and just kind of, not really timing a knot, but kind of.
But you do have several of them, so.
You know, you can do it ever how you want it. I think that looks pretty good like that, don't you?
Yep.
I don't know if you can even see that.
And really, technically, if you wanted a bunch of them, you could probably run up to a fabric store, or if you had old fabric, just throw a bunch on there. So.
All right, and then we got the plastic pieces. As you just pop these in the back in the hose. I don't think these do very good. I know we always, the ones that we have that have them, they very hard, especially after they get a little age on them, of getting them popped into place like they're supposed to be, and them not wanting to stay. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll keep bringing you great content. If you have any questions, put them below, and we'll get back with you as quick as possible. And we appreciate you watching the video. Thanks, guys.
Thanks. Happy Halloween.